As part of VMblog's interview series, today we have the pleasure of speaking with Jed Ayres from IGEL. How are you doing today?
Doing great. Thanks, Brian. Thanks for having me on.
Anytime. So it's been a couple of months since we talked to you, and I was thinking perhaps you could start by telling us what's new at IGEL.
Yeah, well, really, IGEL just continues to transform into more of a software-oriented company, and what we're finding, is a huge appetite for the software solutions that we're delivering, right? And so, we continue to innovate, we continue to hire great people, we continue to bring great partners into the mix with IGEL. But I guess what probably the biggest news is that we had the biggest July that we've ever had in the history of the company, right? Our European business is up 77% just on the hardware side alone this year. So the sort of interest in the IGEL solution, driven by our innovative software operating system and management, is just fueling another year of continued double-digit and triple-digit growth for the company around the world. So
that's great.
It's a very exciting time to be here.
So I understand that you're bringing the DisruptEUC forum to Las Vegas in August. Maybe you can tell us about that, and including where it's going to be held and what attendees can look forward to seeing and experiencing at the event.
Yeah, so obviously we're in Mandalay Bay. It happens to be the same time as VMworld, right? And we, obviously VMware is a big partner of IGEL. We do a lot with them, and we're seeing a lot of big customers have interest in the VMware Horizon and Workspace ONE solution. And IGEL's, perfect complement to that in terms of an operating system and a management solution to work with it. So we've decided to sort of rise above the noise at VMworld, and we're actually hosting our own end user compute forum inside of the Mandalay Bay. So we have a 4-day kind of very focused end user compute set of events, starting on Sunday with a training for IGEL certified engineers, and then a big happy hour. We have over 800 people actually registered for our happy hour on Sunday. It's all going to happen inside the Border Grill, right, sort of in the middle between the hotel and the convention center. Mm-hmm. And then we have some partner lunches and some customer lunches, and then very exciting, we're going to have an EUC TV studio set up outside of the Border Grill. So we'll be interviewing technology luminaries and partners and customers. We'll also be taking professional headshots. So we figure it was a fun chance for us to give something back to the people that are in and around that event, to give them a professional headshot. And then the whole thing culminates with a big pool party and our IT Baller, the end of the convention will be out at this special Morro Bay pool where we're going to give away $20,000.
Wow. So, I mean, you kind of already answered this, but what are the top 3 to 5 reasons that people should consider attending DisruptEUC?
Well, I think it comes down to, it's a real opportunity to meet with the top leadership of IGEL. Our CTO will be there, our founder will be there, a lot of our technical talent will be there. So it's a great opportunity for customers to get first, to meet our team, but also to sort of talk to them about how they're trying to solve for some of the Windows 10 issues, security issues, see our solutions firsthand, meet with our executive teams, talk about how we can help them solve for their challenges, right? And we will have an innovation theater set up running demos of the solution every 30 minutes. And then, of course, you'll also have an opportunity to meet with some of our key ecosystem partners that will be kind of also presenting in and around that innovation theater.
So, Jed, you mentioned the $20,000 giveaway. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. So IGEL is actually giving away $100,000 this year, and the second $20,000 we're giving away at the Disrupt event. We gave the first $20,000 away at Synergy,
Right.
And we thought no better way to celebrate the IT Baller concept than to do it in Vegas, where the Baller show was filmed, and do it at a pool. So we're hosting a private pool party on Wednesday at this beautiful Morro Bay pool club, and we're also going to invite the IGEL community. We're going to give away some recognition at the IGEL around the IGEL community, and some of the design. We have a design contest for modifying the IGEL operating system, so we'll be recognizing some of the winners of that from the IGEL community, and just having some fun in the sun. We're giving away, everyone who comes by our innovation theater at the event will get some shorts and sunglasses and some sunscreen, of course, because it's very, very hot in Las Vegas this time of year. But yeah, we're just going to hang out by this pool, and probably around 2 o'clock pull the second winner of the $20,000. And of course, if you want to get in the entry for that, you just go to DisruptEUC.com, click on the Las Vegas section, and fill out the entry form. And it's a pretty great odds of actually winning $20,000, and you don't have to be there to win. And
you had mentioned the DisruptEUC TV. So is that going to be, where would they go if they want to see that? You said the website, is that where it's going to be?
Actually, we're going to host that. We have a small TV studio that will be set up outside of the Border Grill at the Mandalay Bay. So Sunday afternoon, Monday, and Tuesday, they'll be interviewing partners and customers and technology alliance partners. And we're actually just going to pull some people off the street, just different attendees from the event to talk to them about what they're doing with end user compute, how they're solving for Windows 10, the security challenges, and it's just aimed at really having some candid conversations with decision makers and guys that are solving for these problems. And so we're excited to sort of obviously put a lot of conversations out on social media and really help people understand they're not alone in this challenge, and different ideas on how it's being solved for using VMware's technology, using IGEL's technology, and our ecosystem.
Now, if they wanted to come on camera and share their stories with you, do they just show up outside the Border Grill, or do you have someplace where they can
do that, or they can actually email info@igel.com, and we will get them set up. But yeah, they can just show up. We've actually got a lot of high profile different people kind of scheduled to be interviewed, but obviously it's a equal opportunity. We'd love to interview people, and especially some of the people that are real thought leaders in end user compute. And then of course anyone who does that, we'll give them a pass to this beautiful pool party that we're hosting.
Great. Well, thanks for sharing with us all these exciting things that are going to be happening in and around VMworld and with your own event. Where can they go if they want to find out the latest info on DisruptEUC, and maybe if they want to attend?
Yeah, so we've made it really easy, Brian. You just go to DisruptEUC.com, and they click on the Las Vegas button, and all of the different events that we're doing are there, and they can just register for any one of them. If they're a customer and they want to come to the customer lunch, VIP lunch, they can do that on Tuesday, and Monday we're hosting with partners. If they want to sign up for the intensive IGEL training, that's on Sunday afternoon. And then we're hosting happy hours every single day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then the pool party on Wednesday. So yeah, just go to DisruptEUC.com, and then of course we're also hosting 2 really major events that they'll see when they go to that site. One in Munich in January, and then also one in NVIDIA's headquarters in February, which we're very excited about in Silicon Valley. So of course, you can register for those events as well.
Well, great. We look forward to seeing you, and your VMblog is going to be there as well. So we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, well, you guys always do such a great job at the shows, capturing all the latest stuff that's happening. So very much look forward to seeing you there. I'm sure it'll be a crazy week, but hopefully we'll find some time to have a cup of coffee or a beer.
Sounds good.